Hi everyone, Carrie Severson here, storyteller, coach, and writer, and essayist, counting down the days to 40. And I have 7 more to go. If you have been tuning in, you'll know that I've been sharing storytelling tips from my 30s each day as I move through my 30s and into my 40s. So at some point in my 30s, I started a second business, a storytelling business, and I've done a lot of public speaking in my 30s, actually 102 different speaking opportunities. And when I started my storytelling business a couple of years ago, a lot of people asked me to do workshops literally on storytelling. So I took story as a gigantic concept and broke it down into bite-sized pieces. So I've done workshops on how to replace negative words with more positive words in your language, like replacing the words need and want with welcome. I've done speaking gigs on how to write a really strong bio and backgrounder, about me page, tips on how to get published. I've taken my speaking or my storytelling experience and I've used what I've learned and I've turned those into workshops and speaking gigs. So my lesson literally has been that everyone has a story, everyone wants to share their story, everyone wants their voice to be heard, and sometimes they just need guidance and tools and techniques on how to format that, how to structure it, and how to put it out into the world. So if your story includes an opportunity for you to teach, provide tools and techniques, think of slices of your own story that you can break into 45-minute presentations, or even ongoing workshops. I'm doing mastermind programs now on how to uncover your voice, on how to write a book. And that's just from my personal experience, my personal story, and what I've been through. So you can turn your story into a workshop by finding the right tool and technique to teach to the right audience. And there are plenty of places that are looking for speakers, workshops, series, pop-up classes, online classes. It's just a matter of you finding the right tool and technique to teach. So I hope that helps. If you have any additional questions about it, send me an email, carrie@carrieseverson.com, or come on over to my website, carrieseverson.com, and let's talk. I'll see you tomorrow for day 6. Down to the nitty-gritty. Oh my gosh. Have a good day.